Okay, so right now I'm going to go ahead and show us how to use Zearn. From here in our class website, we're going to go down to Zearn. Make sure that you also click the Zearn logins. That way you can log in by not using Clever. So it should look something like this. Go ahead and sign in. After signing in, it should be showing your numbered gym. Okay, so you need to press start. And this is form to form. Make sure you press the green arrow. And let's go ahead and start working. So he does share some information here. Right? Let's go ahead and move on. 1, 10, and 6 ones. Everybody should be able to do this super quick because this is like easier than what we know what we're doing, right? 1, 10, 6 ones. Let's move on. Okay, let's go ahead and do 2 10s and 6 ones. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very simple. Okay. Let's keep going. 3 10s and 1 1. 1, 2, 3. So 10, 20, 30, and 31. Okay. 10 plus 4. So this is one of the 10s. That's 10. We're not putting 10, and then we're going to put plus 4. 3, 4. That should give us 14. Okay. 20. That's talking about 2 10s. 10, 20 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should give us 24. Okay. Now let's show 24. So in the 10th spot, we have 2 10s, and then we have 4 1s. Awesome. So let's show 28. We have 2 10s, and then 8 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 28. Okay, last one, let's show 40. We have 4 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 0 1s. Right? Really easy beginning step. And then we're going to go over to sprint. Okay, so that was the number gym we're kind of working out. Now we're going to sprint. 90 seconds. Let's see how fast I can go. Okay. Here we go. Oh, okay. Let's check my work. Okay, that's definitely wrong. So let's see if it's 1/2. Because, yeah, let's just check. Yay, yeah. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm starting to get the hang of it. I think that's 1/3. Yep, see, got it. Okay, that should be 1/8. Yay, got it. Perfect. 1/1. Okay, this should be 2/3, 2/3. Yes. Okay, perfect. Yep. Yes, yes, yes. That's when I started to get the hang of it. All right, so next round. Let's see how well I can do on the next round. 90 seconds, as many as I can. Here's the trick that I'm seeing. This division sign, like I've mentioned before, is just like the fraction sign. So it's going to be 1/3. Okay. This is just like the fraction sign, so 1/4. Okay, so that should be 1/10. That should be 1/1, because anything divided by itself is 1. That should be 5/6. That should be 1/1. That should be 3/7. 3/10. Oops, 3 over 4, 1 over 1. Ooh, okay, so that's going to have 1 extra because technically it would be 5 over 4, but that can go into it 1 time. And then we would have 4 over 4. So I feel like maybe it should be 1 and 1, but we'll find out. Okay, 1 and 1. Oops. And then down here, we'll have the same thing because if that's 3 over 2, 3 can go into 2 1 time, and then we would have 2 left over. Okay, so 4 over 5. Let's see. Yes. Got it, got it. Yes, yes. Oh, yeah. Miss Chavez is, oh, wait. Okay, so let's say 1 and 1 over 1. No, 1 and 1/4. Interesting. Okay, let's keep going. Then I think I got this one wrong. Okay, so let's do 1 and 1/2. Yep, got it. All right. Yay, done. Okay, let's go ahead and go to the math chat. All right, math chat. Let's find out what this is all about. Okay. So we had a total of 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We divided it up into 3 groups, and each group gave us 2. Yay! Okay, so let's write this as a fraction. So the total, 2 over 6? No, not 2 over 6. Let's see. Let's check the answer. Oh, that was confusing. I thought I was supposed to put the answer. 6 over 3 as a fraction. Duh. Okay, so this is exactly what we were doing in the practice. We have 6 with the fraction line all over 3. Okay, I could see how this could be a little confusing. Okay, so now that we split it up into groups of 3, 1/3 of 6 is 2. Because here's 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3 of this would be 2. Okay, so now we're not just talking about 1/3, we're talking about 2 of these thirds, and that's simple, that should be 4. So that means 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. So the answer would be 6. Okay. So if we know that a third is 2 apples, we would need another set of 2 apples. So it would be 6 plus 2 more, which would be 8. Okay, so this means we've divided it up into groups of 6. This shows 1, 2 groups. This shows 3 groups. This shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. Okay, so in one of these 6, there are 2 apples. Write a division sentence to represent the apples. So we have 12 divided up by 6 groups. And when we do that, there are 2 in each. Okay, so what is 1/6 of 12? What is one of these sixths of all of these? Should be 2. Okay, so we know that 1/6 is 2. 2/6 would be 4. 3/6 would be 6. So 3/6 would give us 6 apples, right? So 2, 4, 6. So this is when we're talking about simplifying. We know that 3 and 6 are very compatible with each other because 1, 3 can fit into 6 2 times. And if you have 6 apples, just like this, and we can divide that up halfway by 3. So 1/2 is the same as 3/6. Okay, so during this part, go ahead and get out a piece of paper, notebook, and just like she mentioned, let's draw a box right here, and we're going to show 8 apples divided into fourths. So let's go ahead and draw 8 apples. So go for it. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, we're dividing it up into groups of 4 equally. Okay, so whatever you put in there, it needs to have equal numbers. And if you know division, you know 4 and 8 we can make groups of 2. Okay, awesome. Okay, so this is 1/4. This is 2/4. This is 3/4. So she wants to give away 3/4. So how many apples does she want to give away? Okay, in a fruit basket with 24 pieces of fruit, There are 5/6 apples. How many apples are in the fruit basket? Let's make a tape diagram to represent the first problem. First, label the whole. So how many pieces of fruit do we have all together? 24, right? Right here. And let's go ahead and take her advice, and let's start by dividing it up into the groups. And the groups is right here, 6 groups, because that would be easier. So let's divide our box up into 6 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you should be doing those on a notebook. From then, we're going to start putting in the 24 pieces evenly. So start with 1, go all the way through 6 until we get to 24. Now 6 divided by 24, if you know that answer, you know how many to put inside each box quickly. Okay, let's move on. Now, how many parts should we divide into 24? So if we put 5 into 6 pieces, that means we would have had 30 pieces of fruit, because we would have 5 6 times, and we don't have 30, so we know it can't be 5. If we were to put 20 inside each group of 6, that would be a lot too. That'd be 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, and we're not talking about 100 pieces of fruit. We're dividing it up into 6 groups. Okay, so divide the diagram into 6 equal parts. And I guess we can do that here. Yep, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. All right, split 24 equally into 6 groups. I think that should be good. I'll go here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 times 6 is 24. So that's why I know there's 4 in each. Okay. So now I'm sorry, I'm getting confused with the other one. 5 out of 6 of these groups are apples. So let's just count 5 of these groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all of these are apples. So what's 5 times 4? 20. And we have 4 fruit that are not apples. Great. Now, I believe this is the last part of the lesson 6. So let's go ahead and go to Tower of Power. Okay. So let's see. What is 1/3 of 18? So they already have the 18 here for us, and they already split it up into groups of 3. So we're talking about one of these groups of 3. So one of these, and there are 6 here. So the answer should be 6. Okay, what is 2/3 of 18? So now we still have the groups of 3, but now we're talking about 2 of those groups. So 6 plus 6 is 12. Now we're talking about 3/3. Okay, so every single group here. Go ahead and think about it. What would that be? 3/3. That should be 18, because that's the total, right? Okay, find 1/5 of 10. So they have the total for us, 10, and they've broken them up into 5 groups as well. We're looking for one of these 5 groups. So the answer should be 2. Now they have it here for us again, and it's pretty simple. 3/5. So 3 of these groups. 1, 2, 3. 2, 4, 6. 4/5. So now we're going all the way to the 4th group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that should be 8. Awesome. Out of 20 cookies, 3/4 are chocolate chips. How many cookies are chocolate chip? Solve in your notes and answer on Zearn. So go ahead and solve in your notes. Start by drawing your box. Let's cut it up into groups of 4. And let's put 20 cookies in each. I'm sorry, not 20 cookies in each. Let's divide up 20 by 4 groups. So you should have 5 in each. 5, 10, 15, 20. Now we're looking for 3/4. So we've divided up into 4 groups, so we need 3 of those groups. So that would be one group of 5, another group of 5, and a third group of 5. So 5, 10, 15. Awesome. And that concludes the end of chapter 6. You can save lesson 7 for next time. Good job, guys.